क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? कल रात क्या हुआ? What happened last night? What happened last night? उसको बहादुरी की जरूरत है। What he lacks is courage. What he lacks is courage. हम हवा के बिना मर जाएंगे। We would die without air. We would die without air. तुम किस समय घर जाती हो? What time do you go home? What time do you go home? तुम वापस कब आओगे? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? तुम्हारी शादी कब हुई थी? When did you get married? When did you get married? तुमने मुझे पागल कर दिया। You made me lose my mind. You made me lose my mind. मैं तो संतुष्ट हूँ। As for me, I'm satisfied. As for me, I am satisfied. तुम पार्टी में आ सकते हो क्या? Can you come to the party? Can you come to the party? मेरे घर 8 बजे आना। Come to my house at 8. Come to my house at 8. आपके पास इसमें बड़े नाप का है क्या? Do you have a larger size? Do you have a larger size? तुम साथ आना चाहते हो क्या? Do you want to come along? Do you want to come along? मुझे खांसी की दवाई चाहिए। I need coughing medicine. I need coughing medicine. मुझे लगता है कि वह सही है। I think that he is right. I think that he is right. मैं उसको यह बात समझाऊंगा। I will explain it to him. I will explain it to him. मुझे उनकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी। I will have to help him. I will have to help him. मैं फिर से नहीं करूंगा। I will never do it again. I will never do it again. मुझे अपने पैसे वापस चाहिए। I would like to get a refund. I would like to get a refund. मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर में फोन करूंगा। I will call you back later. I will call you back later. 10 बजने वाले हैं। It is almost 10 o'clock. It is almost 10 o'clock. ऐसा लगता है कि वह अमीर है। It seems that he is rich. It seems that he is rich. यह तुम्हारी सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। It's not healthy for you. It's not healthy for you. मुझे अपना पता बता देना। Let me know your address. Let me know your address. मेरे पिताजी कैंसर से चल बसे। My father died of cancer. Father died of cancer. वह एक जिद्दी लड़की है। She is an obstinate girl. She is an obstinate girl. उसने बच्चे को रोते हुए छोड़ दिया। She left the baby crying. She left the baby crying. उसने मुझे ध्यान में लेने से इनकार कर दिया। She refused to notice me. She refused to notice me. 10 साल बहुत लंबा समय होता है। 10 years is a long time. 10 years is a long time. डॉक्टर ने मेरी नब्ज ली। The doctor felt my pulse. The doctor felt my pulse. खाना ठंडा हो रहा है। The food is getting cold. The food is getting cold. खाना अभी तक तैयार नहीं हुआ है। द फूड्स नॉट रेडी येट। द फूड्स नॉट रेडी येट। उस आदमी ने कत्ल किया। That man committed murder. That man committed murder. ये किताबें काफी पुरानी है। These are very old book. These are very old book. इस कीमत में टैक्स शामिल है। This amount includes tax. This amount includes tax. यह उसके जितना बड़ा है। This is as large as that. This is as large as that. यह रास्ता बहुत पतला है। This road is very narrow. This road is very narrow. टॉम को अच्छे से तैरना आता है। Tom is able to swim well. Tom is able to swim well. हम सब एक साथ खड़े हो गए। We all stood up at once. We all stood up at once. हमने गोल मेज खरीदी। We bought a round table. We bought a round table. हम कल शायद नहीं जीतेंगे। We may not win tomorrow. We may not win tomorrow. तुम्हें किस लिए चाहिए? What do you want it for? What do you want it for? तुम टेनिस कब खेलना चाहते हो? When do you play tennis? When do you play tennis? जब बारिश होती है तो जबरदस्त होती है। When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. तुम कभी भी मदद क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you ever help? Why don't you ever help? तुम उससे छोटे हो क्या? Are you younger than him? Are you younger than him? बुरी खबर तेजी से फैलती है। Bad news travels quickly. Bad news travels quickly. चीज दूध से बनता है। Cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. इन दोनों में से किसी एक को चुनो। Choose between these two. Choose between these two. उसने तुम्हें कुछ बताया क्या? Did he tell you anything? Did he tell you anything? तुम्हारे कोई भाई है क्या? Do you have any brother? Do you have any brothers? हर घर में बगीचा था। Every house had a garden. Every house has the garden. वह कम से कम 30 साल का तो होगा। He can't be under 30. He can't be under 30. उसने लिफाफे को काटकर खोल दिया। He cut the envelope open. He cut the envelope open. वह कैंसर से नहीं मरा। He did not die of cancer. He did not die of cancer. वह संगीत का बहुत शौकीन है। He is very fond of music. He is very fond of music. वह बहुत सारे लोगों को जानता है। He knows a lot of people. He knows a lot of people. उस पर कत्ल का इल्जाम लगाया गया। He was accused of murder. He was accused of murder. वह मेरी बात नहीं सुनेगा। He will not listen to me. He will not listen to me. वह कभी भी संतुष्ट नहीं होता। He is always dissatisfied. He is always dissatisfied. तुम कितनी देर से प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हो? How long have you waited? How long have you waited? मैं और चल नहीं सकती। I can't walk any further. I can't walk any further. मुझे यह जैकेट पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket. मेरा भाग जाने का मन हुआ। I felt like running away. I felt like running away. मैं जंगल में खो गया। I got lost in the forest. I got lost in the forest. उसने आसमान की तरफ देखा। He looked up at the sky. He looked up at the sky. उसको घमंडी होने की आदत है। He tends to be arrogant. He tends to be arrogant. मेरे पास ज्यादा समय नहीं है। I do not have much time. I do not have much time. मुझे उल्टी आ रही है। I feel like throwing up. I feel like throwing up. मुझे गिलास खाली मिला। I found the glass empty. I found the glass empty. अब मेरे पास बहुत थोड़े पैसे हैं। I have little money now. I have little money now. मुझे अपना काम बहुत पसंद है। I like my job very much. I like my job very much. मुझे अंग्रेजी पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है। I like studying English. I like studying English. मुझे शहर की जिंदगी पसंद है। I really like city life. I really like city life. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता। I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. हो सके तो मैं उससे मिलना नहीं चाहूँगा। I would rather not to meet him. I would rather not to meet him. मैंने बियर पीना छोड़ दिया है। I have quit drinking beer. I have quit drinking beer. इसमें मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है। It's no concern of mine. It's no concern of mine. वह मुझसे बात नहीं करेंगी। She doesn't speak to me. She doesn't speak to me. वह एक बार फिर देर से आई। She was late once again. She was late once again. मुझे एक और उदाहरण दो। Show me another example. Show me another example. कोई सा भी ले लो। Take whichever you want. Take whichever you want. यह उस पर भी लागू होता है। This applies to him too. This applies to him too. बस अभी तक आई नहीं है। The bus has not come yet. The bus has not come yet. घर आग में लिपटा हुआ था। The house was in flames. The house was in flames. उन्होंने अनाथ बच्चों को गोद ले लिया। They adopted the orphan. They adopted the orphan. वे आमने सामने खड़े हुए। They stood face to face. They stood face to face. वे तुमसे डरते थे। They were afraid of you. They were afraid of you. मैं इसीलिए वापस आया था। That's why I came back. That's why I came back. अपना मुंह इस और मोड़ो। Turn your face this way. Turn your face this way. वह बहुत बक-बक करती है। She prattles on and on. She prattles on and on. उसने मुझे अपना कमरा दिखाया। She showed me her room. She showed me her room. क्या मैं कमरा साफ कर सकती हूँ? Should I clean my room? Should I clean my room? यह लगभग सही है। That is almost correct. That is almost correct. वह तेल से पकाया गया है। That was cooked in oil. That was cooked in oil. यह एक बहुत अच्छा सवाल है। That's a good question. That's a good question. ये अजीब है, नहीं? That's weird, isn't it? That's weird, isn't it? बच्चों ने रोना बंद कर दिया। The baby ceased crying. The baby ceased crying. गेट को खुला छोड़ दिया गया था। The gate was left open. The gate was left open. उस लड़की ने पीछे मुड़कर देखा। That girl looked around. That girl looked around. यह बत्ती काम नहीं करती। This light doesn't work. This light doesn't work. जितना जल्दी उतना अच्छा। The sooner the better. The sooner the better. वे बहुत प्रसन्न होंगे। They will be very glad. They will be very glad. यह किताब बहुत पतली है। This book is very thin. This book is very thin. टॉम ने इंजन को चालू कर दिया। Tom started the engine. Tom started the engine. तुम्हें यह करने के लिए बताया गया था। Were you told to do so? Were you told to do so? तुम्हें क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? कितने बजे खुलता है? What time does it open? What time does it open? तुम्हारे ख्याल से वह कौन है? Who do you think he is? Who do you think he is? अगला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you stuttering? Why are you stuttering? तुम्हारे पास काफी समय था। You had plenty of time. You had plenty of time. तुम्हारी याददाश्त अच्छी है। You have a good memory. You have a good memory. उसे जुकाम बहुत आसानी से हो जाता है। He catches colds easily. He catches colds easily. उसको नौकरी नहीं मिल पाई। He couldn't get the job. He couldn't get the job. वह जल्दी नहीं उठा। He did not get up early. He did not get up early. वह पार्क में खो गया। He got lost in the park. He got lost in the park. वह ज्यादा तेज नहीं भाग सकता। He can't run very fast. He can't run very fast. वह अच्छा कमा लेता है। He earns a good salary. He earns a good salary. उसकी 3 बेटियां हैं। He has 3 daughters. He has 3 daughters. उसने मेरा बस्ता चुरा लिया। He robbed me of my bag. He robbed me of my bag. उसने मुझे बताया कहाँ जाना है। He told me where to go. He told me where to go. उसने किताब को फाड़ डाला। He tore the book apart. He tore the book apart. वह बस अभी आता होगा। He will soon come back. He will soon come back. मैं तुमसे सहमत नहीं हूँ। I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. मुझे बुखार जैसा लगता है। I seem to have a fever. I seem to have a fever. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता. I still don't know. I still don't know. मैं अपने आप करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. मैं 9 बजे से पहले वापस आ जाऊंगा. I will come back by 9. I will come back by 9. आज कोई है जो नहीं आया है. Is anyone absent today? Is anyone absent today? उन्होंने मदद के लिए चिल्लाया. They shouted for help. They shouted for help. हम उनको परेशान कर रहे हैं. We are disturbing him. We are disturbing him. मुझे चलना चाहिए. I should go. I should go. वह कल आएगा क्या? Will he come tomorrow? Will he come tomorrow? तुम्हारे बाल कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबे हैं. Your hair is too long. Your hair is too long. क्या कोई तुम्हारा यकीन कर सकता है? Can anyone believe you? Can anyone believe you?